Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Got a tune-up report today on the Stryker SR-955. This is for Jeffrey in Montreal, Canada. Alright, Jeffrey got the power all the way down. We're on AM. Let's take a look at this watt meter up here. It's got 10 watts on the top scale. All the way down is 2. And I'll turn it to the 30 watt scale on the bottom, 10, 20, 30. And then turn the power all the way up. Get about 20, 21 there. My peak power on a 100 watt slug. I'll be reading across the bottom scale. Audio. Check. Audio. 1, 2. Okay, and kick it over to sideband. Audio. Check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Okay, and FM. Almost 40, 39, and all the way down on FM is 1 watt. Okay. And there we have it. Kick it on here real quick. We'll skip out there. How about at channel 19? Can I get a radio check?
Yeah,
There's somebody out there. Hello. Appreciate the comeback, driver. Thank you very much.